Every spring, a thundering roar echoes through the canyons of the Wind River. Waters draining from the southwestern foothills of Mount Adams converge into one of the most challenging and relentless stretches of whitewater being run commercially in the Northwest. The Wind River is definitely not for everyone. This demanding, full-day run is for physically fit adults with previous Class 4 experience who are looking for the whitewater adventure of a lifetime. Expect to nurture a deep sense of teamwork as aggressive paddling, scouting, and portaging are shared by all on this thrilling expedition. Safety and enjoyment are the most important elements of a Wind River trip. All paddlers are briefed on swift water rescue techniques, and the armada of rafts provides safety and support for each other. Seasoned guides with years of whitewater rafting experience strive to instill within their crew a sense of teamwork, confidence, and camaraderie.